That one. That's it. Okay, so let's get a few things ready and I'll come back in a sec. This doesn't seem to light very well. So it needs a clean. So, do you recognise the bag? Here we go. So, Skillet Man in the van, and we're going to put some salmon in the pan. So that's what we're having today. Just been training. I've just done a mass load of chest, which was I did about 8 to 9 sets of press, high reps, 25 reps I was doing. Oh, look at that, it's gone cold. So I was doing 25 reps, so I did about 8 sets of that. And then I did pec deck, followed by pull downs, followed by blah blah blah, followed by that. You don't really want to know, but anyway, keep yourself fit, ready for the new year. It's the same every year. So yeah, so we're going to cook now is some very, very special salmon. Come on babe, light. Hey, there we go. I just twisted the jet a bit. It seems to have done the trick. Skillet on. Takes a while to warm up for the skillets because they're cast iron. I love cooking with cast iron. So a little bit of garlic oil. Give it a bit of a... It's not going to come out that fast because it is solid. Oh, look at that. We've got some nice garlic flakes coming out of here. Oh, I can smell them. I'll put a bit more on than I normally do for another reason, and I'll show you that in a sec. There we go. Right. A really good healthy food is the next thing coming up. Cherry tomatoes, still on the vine. I'm not going to cook them on the vine, of course. So I'm going to put 4 of them in. That to one side, and the next thing we're doing as well is some little, we're going to baste the pan. There we go, and it says these are soft, so hopefully they are. I want the garlic over there a bit for a reason. There we go, and we'll have another sprig of that, and that's that done. So 4 cherry tomatoes. I just let them get warmed up and cook through a bit. Really good for you. If you cook them, it's got the antioxidants or whatever they are inside. Don't want to burn that too much. Turn them down a bit. Are really good for you with tomatoes. If you cook them, they're better for you. Turn them down a bit. Okay. The next thing which is going on is this. Look at that. I want to cook these down, so what we'll do, we'll crisp off Come on, focus. We're going to crisp off underneath, so I'm not going to touch them, and that should make the skin really crispy. And then you'll see that if I bring you around, I'll put a bit of light on it. That as you can see now, it's starting to whiten. See that? Here. And that will creep up the meat. And when it gets to about here, I'll flip them over. All being is, because it's cast iron, I think it's cooking too much. I don't care, it doesn't matter. We'll still brown off the skin, do the best we can. Oh, look at that, look at that. I love this cooking. I think we're going to get stuck, but we'll see. I'll get the out skillet out. Skillet, the out spatula. I don't think that the skin cooked on this one very well, but anyway, I don't care, because cast iron, I love to cook on cast iron, but the simple reason is it's clean. And I also like to cook on stainless steel, because that's clean as well. I find that Teflon and whatnot, no disrespect to Teflon, let's have a quick look what this looks like. Whoop, whoop. That worked out well, so it's just getting it right, that's all there is to it. Okay. It's a nice piece. You look, you can see that it's starting to turn white and look its way up. I'll flip that over in a bit. Same with this one. This one seems to cook a bit more. Well, it will be a bit thinner on one side than the other. Have a look. There you go. You see? And that's what the tomatoes are done as well. They're nearly there. Ooh, that one's cooked better than this one. But, there we go. 5 minutes and I think we're done. If that. You don't want to overcook them, because if you keep them nice like the way, you know, I'll show you, that they're so succulent, it's better than steak. Even though I love steak, but I mean, yeah, I mean, if you cook it right, it's beautiful. Succulent as well. It should be like this, you know, you can show you. It's just slightly pink in the middle, just slightly pink. That's done beautifully. There we go. I'll try that. Oh. That bit there, that needs another minute and that's it. I'll show you that. It's a little bit too pink, but some people would like it like that. This is the skin off this one, so that's going to go down right now. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Okay, so just what have we got? Just going to skillet off, because it will cook still, because the skillet does stay hot quite some time. There's some skin, we'll have him. We'll just let it cool down a minute, and then I'm going to eat it straight out the skillet. Skillet man in his van. I love this. Look at that. I'll get you to look at that. Look at that. Oh yes, that is beautiful and succulent. Okay, I'm going to tuck into this, and I'm going to have a little bit of chili sauce, just a little bit, and I'll catch you guys in a minute. Just peel back a bit of skin, broke that off. Look at that. Let's see if it's got a crunch. Oh yeah, that's got a crunch. Woohoo! Some broccoli. Oh, oh, that's hot but beautiful. Oh my god, that is so buttery. It's beautiful. Very nice. I don't know what it is, whether it's because they're red or whatever, but these little buggers, they do not retain the heat. And trying to eat one of these is like sticking one of the hottest gobstockers in your mouth. Oh god, these are hot. I mean, as in heat wise, not as in flavoursome wise. Whew. It takes some chewing, eating. Anyway, bon appetit. Well, that was absolutely divine. What can I say? Okay, that was absolutely divine. Thank you very much if you did watch and stayed the full video. People ask me, how do you clean up afterwards? Because get a lot of splash back on the sides, everything. Well, I could use the sink and whatnot, but it means filling the water and everything up. But I purchased these. Look at the size of them. So, anti-bac cloth wipes. They are phenomenal. And I'll show you what size they are. There's one. There you go. And that's what I use to clean up afterwards. And they are absolutely, they don't leave none behind. Look at that. I'll even clean the cooker with them. One will do the whole lot. That's it. We're all cleaned up. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be great. The likes make a big difference, especially to all the algorithms. You get to watch free videos. I get to make them. Take care. Catch you in the next one.